All right, Marco Metzler, I'm on to you. You're not real. You're fake. So if the real Mark Metzler would please stand up and check his email and reply to me and let me know, that'd be great. Because I think the guy on Twitter is bullshit. Let's see why. So if you go to the Wayback Machine and you type in the LinkedIn profile that's right here, Mark Metzler, look when this shit was created. December 11th of 2021. If you go to his Twitter and you look at his Twitter profile, when was that created? In November of 2021. What the hell is this guy doing? Obviously, he's a shill for Reuters. Now, this is his LinkedIn that he's made on the 11th, and he puts hashtags China, crisis, inflation, Evergrande, and insurance industry. No, no, no. This is a fraud. Another fraud, another falsified hero that's been given status in the community without any vetting from our quote unquote apes. Again, this is like the fifth or sixth person. So yeah, I mean, you got to start thinking. Use your brains that you were born with. If you see someone come onto the Twitter space claiming they're a doctor, I don't care if the person's real or not. Why are they putting that doctor tag in there? Because they're trying to appeal to authority, and everyone's buying it every time. Every time. So, and Francisco, you're one of the worst people about this, bro. Stop listening to the news, okay? Like, it's garbage. He's regurgitating Reuters articles that he wrote. So, I mean, come on, people. Let's get with it. 14.7 thousand followers in less than a month. LinkedIn profile was just created. Come on. It can't be. There's got to be someone else that's got to start doing this shit. I can't keep doing it because I'm taking all the heat, but I like the heat. Give me some more heat. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see when he changes this shit. It's literally not rocket science, people. It really isn't. If they come on the scene and they have something to offer, and yet nothing about them makes sense, they're probably a fraud actor behind a computer screen trying to promote their own self-interest. So again, Dr. Mark Metzler, or Marco Metzler, please stand up and check your email. I will be calling you out here on Twitter in about 5 seconds. Have a good one, and stay fake.